Hello, welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch with your host here, Sleepy Bull. Today is October 26, 2023, and we will be discussing Solana. Now, Solana is or was one of the cryptos, one of the darlings of the 2020 to 2022 crypto bull run, having an astonishing, and I mean absolutely gobsmacking return here. Let me give you an idea. I actually bought Solana around the $20 range. Lucky me, I missed out on the bulk of the move for a nice 13 gain, but the entire run was about something like 12,000x. Incredible. So today I'll be discussing the Elliot wave theory count for Solana, and I do believe Solana will outperform in the next bull run. However, I do not think that we are out of the bear market just yet, especially for Solana. So we'll begin here with the primary count. I reserve the primary count for the full cycle wave 1, which I won't show here, but I'll be counting these waves as intermediaries. So we see here that we have intermediary wave 1, 2, 3, 4, off to an extended fifth. Now, the reason why we have an extended fifth is we have to apply the extended wave or extended fifth wave test, as I would like to call it, which is normally waves 1, 2, and 3 projected onto the fifth wave. And if we get a 618 match or hit, then you have an extension. And so, ladies and gents, we have an extension. A fifth wave extension at that. Now, usually, and let's do the count here for the fifth wave. Wave 1, 2, extended third, fourth, fifth. Usually, when we have an extended fifth, the retracements are very, very steep. Like we stated in the prior video, normally you expect an extended fifth wave to have a correction around the wave 4, the top of wave 4 bottom, but the top of wave 3 bottom of wave 4 area, which is this region right here. Now, normally, textbook corrections are, you get a correction down to around the fourth wave of the extension, and then you get a break, and then a next leg down. And I do believe we are about to begin the next leg down after an astonishing 1, 2, 3, 4 2-week candles, an astonishing 2 months of straight price action to the upside. We're going to start the corrective move down. And this is in the backdrop of euphoria everywhere. So How we measure this move down is like so. You know, usually after an extended fifth or after a 5-wave move up, you have a B, C, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, the B wave, 5 waves down. Now, we have the 5 waves down here. 1, 2, extended third, fourth, fifth. That's fine. B waves, normally, textbook wave theory states that B waves usually retrace to the 618 and 0.5 region, and this is where the euphoria takes place before the continuation of the bear market. This is classic textbook euphoria, classic B wave behavior. So B waves can also be 5 wave triangles, an A, B, C, D, E 5 wave triangle. So a lot of that checks out. So like in A, B, C fashion, we have 5 waves down, A wave, B wave up. And next we expect 5 waves down. And yes, I do believe we will hit the $3 to $1 price range. Now this is the bear count, you know. We'll see, we'll see. So, how do we measure this last wet leg down, you ask? Well, it's simple. We measure a wave A and C, where wave C will be. Normally, high probability is around here, the 1 length. And so we can see that Solana will most likely bottom at around $3 or $1. And yeah, those are pretty steep declines. But around this level, I'm definitely a buyer. I'm definitely a buyer. As you can see, we'll get a price range around these numbers here. Mostly this one, really. So, yeah, well, that's it. Solana. And everybody's been so excited. It's incredible to watch. It's incredible. Let's see, a few closing remarks here. Something to note is the confluence with wave 1, not wave 1, but rather wave A, wave B, and the price relationship with these Fibonacci retracements, specifically being the 236 of the entire Solana run. This gives me a suspicion that this is the high likely outcome. Not this one, even though it seems higher probability, but this one, just because of the Fib confluence. So there's that. In either case, these levels are still very good buying opportunities. We can stomach the volatility. Yeah. And again, we will eventually hit these numbers. Eventually. And that's it. Signing off.